Yo, what's up? Check this out, only our chimney over here. And this is the big parking, belongs to the Ayodya hotel.
So now we are in Nusa Dua, in BTDC Nusa Dua complex. And now we are in Ayodya resort. So why we are here? Basically that we will go to Ayodya because of day pass.
Day pass, so basically if you wanna come to Nusa Dua and you wanna go to the beach or something like that, enjoying the Nusa Dua, you have to go to the hotel. You don't need to stay, but at least the day pass, which is we're gonna pay 75,000 rupiah, and we can chill in the pool of Ayodya hotel, go to the beach, explore the area.
All right, as you see, like this resort is a very 5-star. I can say that 5-star resort, and then
It is 5-star. It's quite big, huge.
yeah, and then I think that some of Damian's friends used to stay here. Hi, Tomek.
Yeah, stomach for you, by the way.
Yeah, so long time ago it was so busy, and then now we can have like only us, and even in the car park only a car. So
I hope so.
don't
The
know,
hotel
the
is
hotel is open or not?
hopefully it's open and we can enjoy our pass and show you a little bit of Nusa Dua. However, for many of you, maybe because this hotel is quite old and famous, so you should know this place. And the video is dedicated for everyone who miss Nusa Dua and Ayodhya. Not pains and endorsement. Right, so we was in the main lobby of the hotel, and
And there is a guy talking to me that the lobbies there and the hotels there is closed, but we have to go to different lobby because they have 3 lobbies. So this area in the lobby all is closed because they have to reduce the operational cost. So for the day pass, if you want to stay, hotel actually stay because they have like lots of room, but this area is closed, so we have to go to different lobby.
we'll see. Alright, so now we arrived to the different lobby. This hotel is huge, by the way. I think this is over 1,000 rooms in this place. And that's like a small wee lobby closer to the ocean. Ocean is there. And we will see how's the life over here. So we are on the completely other wing of the hotel. This looks like a shape little bit like a pentagon, you know, because it's like oval. Very nice, very quiet.
Oh my goodness.
We will see how it's on the beach, honey, yeah?
Yeah.
Meanwhile, check this out.
Oh, they have a beautiful garden.
Beautiful garden. Never been in this part of this hotel. So basically today's video is about Nusa Dua and how it's life over there, and is Bali ready to open, and hotel is ready. I mean, it's empty rooms, many space. What's that, monkey?
No, the squirrel.
Many space for you, but barely open.
Yeah, the hotels in Nusa Dua are open, and then they said that there are 3 areas in Bali. It's called green zone area,
Yeah.
which that mean that area is prepared for the tourists.
So like I said, Nusa Dua is closed for the public, not like Sanur and Ubud, which is also the green zones, and they are open to public. Basically you can come anytime there, but here only if you are staying in the hotel like this one or any other hotels in Nusa Dua, or coming into day pass, which is you pay, like we pay today 75,000 rupiah per person, and we have access to the pool and some snacks and stuff like this. Yes, honey?
And then have access to the beach.
Yes,
so
and
have
access to the
going
beach.
To the beach, something like that, you know.
So that's the big difference between Nusa Dua and the other parts of Bali.
Yeah.
And we have to wait how it's gonna look situation and when actually Bali will be open, because currently still nothing confirmed, right? It's like no dates what is okay will be open next month, let's say. No, we have to wait for the officials decisions.
Okay. So normally that, you know, Nusa Dua vibes is lots of, you know, tourists who come to Bali, but nowadays as we see only, I don't know, I can count in with my fingers.
It's actually an empty beach right here, as you can see, and one couple, foreigner couple, just enjoying the sun and the breeze. It's hot, it's morning, but it's like 8:30 at morning, so it's not like a heat. Well, it's hot, but not this. And this is the full peninsula of Nusa Dua, and I can see one person very far away, and everything like hotels over here, like surfing, water sports, Well, obviously it's nobody here. Nobody. Oh, somebody in the water. And the beautiful sound of the ocean. Even here is the one restaurant which is not belongs to the any hotels. It's just like a restaurant potentially open to public, but nobody. Really nobody. Here is some cars and bikes because they are the Balinese prayers. Obviously you can enter the Nusa Dua if you're coming to praying in the temple.
And yeah, for the public access, let's say if you just want to come to Nusa Dua, just, you know, like to strolling around and then not staying or not being in the hotel. So I don't think that
It's not possible, except the Bali Mall collection. But yeah, Bali collection. But unfortunately, in Bali collection, almost everything is closed, as you saw many times already on our vlogs. So here we go. Here is some praying ceremony, something like that. There are some local fishermen. Hello, how are you? Also. So basically, that's how it looks. Situation. Nusa Dua. There are hotels in Ayaputri Bali, yes.
Oh, the thing that last week they changed the name and they changed the management in Ayaputri Bali. I forgot what's the name.
But it's different name?
Different name now. I think that the Inaya Putri Bali was sold and then another company bought and changed the name. I forgot the name. Merusaka Nusa Dua.
It's
Yes.
okay, but if it's changed the name, that means the hotel was sold and is the new owner, by the way, now. But that's the old Inaya Putri. Squirrels over here, the guy is feeding them. Hello.
Hello.
Very nice. Very nice indeed.
So we've got so many emails and then asking when is Bali open for tourists? Well,
So many rumors on the internet everywhere. However, it's nothing official, and we just simply have to wait. Was many predictions and many rumors in the last year, even maybe if you remember.
because I think that last month Mr. President went to Ubud for witnessing the mass vaccine, and he said that if the current situation can be controlled and the number of cases can be controlled, it might be open if. So it's really big if.
It was nothing official and no official dates. Anyway, that's how it looks. The area of the Ayodya Beach Club, where it's open and where we are here right now. And this is the pool. Basically, the Ayodya Hotel, the main place, is closed for the public. I don't know, maybe if you're staying there, but I think not many people are around. Unfortunately, beautiful palm tree. Check this out. This is the bird on the chair. Shit, I was thinking this is fake, but it's real actually. Check this out. It's real. I was thinking I wanna make a joke. This is fake, but it's real. Jeez. Can you see that? Hello, buddy. Don't get scared, but it's so beautiful. Nice. Okay, I leave you alone here. I leave you alone. Peace, my friend. Chill out.
Look at that. Also the black pelicans.
Oh yeah, the black. This is the gardens of Ayodhya.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice indeed. So basically there, everywhere is hotel and pools. Okay, we're gonna show you a little bit about the hotel. I'm not sure if it's fully operated. For sure some wings are open. And if you are interested how much is the Ayodhya hotel in current situation, it's just 650k per night, which is less than $50 a night. From old price was how much? 2 million?
2 million, 2.5 million per night.
At least 2.5 million per night. So it's quite a good deal. But As I said already, the only probably one wing is open because this pool is already closed, as you can see, unfortunately. And that's probably because this hotel is super huge, about 1,000 rooms, if I'm not mistaken. And occupancy right now is how many? Maybe 10 rooms? I'm not even sure, it's so hard to guess, but it's just so quiet, as you can see.
So this one is the biggest swimming pool in the hotel. Unfortunately, the main pool is...
Unfortunately, as you can see, the main pool is it's closed. So it's quite sad, especially for my friend who stayed here just before, like in February last year, just before everything got closed, and was so many people. I remember because I visited him in this hotel and was full of life. So sad. Hot, so we hide in the shed, but it's honestly it's so sad to looking that I was in this hotel
last year
and
our friend Tomek used to stay here, and this is Tomek's favorite hotel, I think so.
Yeah, but anyway, it's like I don't know what to say. It's so sad to look place like this, you know. I just feel sorry. I know it's the big hotel and big corporation, $1 million, blah blah, but it's sad. It's just sad. I'm not sure if that's gonna recover 100% in the near future. Jeez, they have a snake.
No, it's not a snake.
What is this?
It's Komodo dragon.
Even worse. Okay, it's very like natural. It's like National West Park here, little bit, or somewhere in Komodo Park. For me, it's snake honey, but maybe it's
No, it's like biawak maybe.
biawak.
Yeah, kind of red one.
Okay, at least some emotions on today's video.
So it's super hot, sunny day. It's really good idea if you jump to the pool. Look at the pool with the tropical ambience, so nice, facing the ocean. So this one is the only one pool, the swimming pool that is operated in the hotel. So nice. Damian is enjoying his life. Hey, many of you are asking us what type of visa that nowadays to come to Indonesia or come to Bali. Well, I know that one of our lovely viewers last time that commented he already in Bali actually. Hi Robert, we are so sorry that we didn't have time to meet you, but yes, Robert came to Bali by using e-visa or electronic visa. So that's typical visa that only applied if there is a company who sponsored you. So there is no let's say personal individual local person can sponsor, but it only can be sponsored by company. So many people nowadays who come to Bali using business visa by the agent. So this is how it is.
And it's cost about, depends, but it's about 7, 8, 9, up to 10 million, depends.
Yeah, depends on the agent how much they charge you, but yeah, starting from 7 million until 10 million.
Alright, my pizza, right? Okay, who cares about pizza? Nasi
This is our
goreng.
lunch. Well, actually, the package include with the food, pizza or nasi goreng, and the drink iced tea, and then free beach access and swimming pool. That's it. So good, so nice,
So hot.
and I'm already hungry. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today is in Nusa Dua. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you. Take care.